Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you how to join the text. I have this table, first name, last name and the title. I just want to join the text in this column. This function is simple, however useful. Let us get started. Write this formula equal text join, double quotation, comma, number one, again comma, which text you want to be text 1, this one, the last name, sorry, the title, comma, text 2, will be the text 2, and drag it to the last name, then close the bracket. As you can see, the text is first name, last name, and the title is joined accordingly. Thank you for watching the video. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.